Welcome to my SyndBuddy AI review video, a deep dive review for ranking on the first page. Do you want to rank your content on the first page of Google and YouTube? Then today's blog is just for you. The competition in the digital world has increased a lot, and without the right tools, it is very difficult to get visibility. SyndBuddy AI is playing an amazing platform role in solving this problem. It promises the user fast, long-term ranking, increased traffic, and sales. It makes your work more productive and effective without any additional effort. Let's see how SyndBuddy AI can make your business processes faster and easier. What is SyndBuddy AI? SyndBuddy AI is a fully automated social syndication platform that facilitates the sharing of user content across global social media networks. With this platform of 9,117 active users, you can quickly spread your website, video, or any online content to a global audience. Features of SyndBuddy AI automated social syndication. The main feature of SyndBuddy AI is that it is basically a fully automated syndication system. It works to reach thousands of real users with just a few clicks. As a result, your content's ranking increases. AI-driven content creation. Creating content is a time-consuming affair. SyndBuddy AI's AI content engine generates quality descriptions, tags, etc. in very short time. This will make your campaign ready within minutes. No software required. Unlike many SEO tools, SyndBuddy AI is a completely web-based tool. It does not require any software installation or CAPTCHA solving. Therefore, it is easy for beginners as well. Auto Share feature. The new Auto Share feature makes campaigns more automatically deliver hundreds of shares. It helps eliminate the hassle of manual work and ensures consistent results. Agency license included. SyndBuddy AI provides agency license to users to manage multiple clients, which helps as a means of additional income. How does SyndBuddy AI work? SyndBuddy AI is very easy to use. It works on a credit-based system. You can earn credits by purchasing credits or by sharing other people's content. Login. First log in to your account. Enter URL. Enter the URL of what you want to promote and the required keywords. Press Start, then press Start and launch the campaign and watch the SyndBuddy network start increasing your rankings. Advantages of SyndBuddy AI: time saving. No need for manual link building or sharing, thereby saving time to the user. Cost effective. SyndBuddy AI helps you save costs compared to other platforms. Scalable. Multiple campaigns can be run here at the same time. Guaranteed results. SyndBuddy AI provides you with Auto Share feature, which ensures constant performance. Why SyndBuddy AI is the best? White Hat SEO practices. SyndBuddy AI is committed to being a safe medium. It fully complies with Google and YouTube policies. It works through real accounts and organic interactions, which will save you from SEO penalties. Community-driven systems. It differs in many respects from typical bot-based tools. In the process, real users share your content, creating a natural and diverse backlink profile, suitable for all content types. Another benefit of SyndBuddy AI is that it is suitable for all types of content. Local businesses, e-commerce, or niche-specific content, anywhere SyndBuddy AI usability is acceptable. You will get these attractive bonuses when you buy this product. Bonus 1. Agency rights to SyndBuddy. Value, $197. This powerful bonus opens a whole new world of possibilities and profit for your business. Not only will you have a powerful system to rank your own niche sites and/or videos, you'll be able to confidently rank your clients' websites and videos as well. Bonus 2. Keyword Bootcamp Training. Value, $37. We decided to include this training so you know exactly how to pick the right keywords to get the best results. Bonus 3. Live Client Attraction Bonus Training. Value, $197. Bonus 4. Perfect Optimization Blueprint. Value, $37. Here users will learn how to properly optimize your campaigns to ensure you get the best results with SyndBuddy. Bonus 5. Hands-on live training session for SyndBuddy. Value, $197. Here you will learn how to gain clients through SyndBuddy. Final conclusion about this product: SyndBuddy AI is an automated, effective, and user-friendly platform. Experts. Feel that this will be an ideal solution for those who want to save time and money on SEO and digital marketing. Welcome to my SyndBuddy AI review video, a deep dive review for ranking on the first page. Do you want to rank your content on the first page of Google and YouTube? Then today's blog is just for you. The competition in the digital world has increased a lot, and without the right tools, it is very difficult to get visibility. SyndBuddy AI is playing an amazing platform role in